friend, today is a very special day for me as I leave for IIT Mumbai campus. It's a great opportunity and one of the most important days in the life of a father when his son is getting his degree. I missed my father when I got my degree badly because he couldn't come because he was no more in this world. So I know what the importance of presence of father in his son's degree ceremony or convocation ceremony. That's why I have taken special leave and I'm traveling to Mumbai now, leaving from office for the airport. More updates. Thank you. Show me your face. Karthik, show me your face.
I, Sakshi, and I am Harshita. And together we are going to be your hosts for today. As we celebrate these outstanding individuals, let us also acknowledge the dynamic and ever-evolving field of physics itself. It is a realm where boundaries are continually pushed and new horizons are explored. Our graduates stand at the forefront of this exciting frontier, equipped with the knowledge and skills to contribute to the groundbreaking advancements and innovative solutions in the field of research. IIT Bombay is not only an elite and prestigious institution, but also a house of dreams.
Today, we mark a significant milestone in their academic and professional journeys. We are confident that they will continue to excel, driven by the same curiosity and rigor that defined their time at IIT Bombay. As we proceed with the ceremony, let us reflect on the achievements of our graduates and the bright future and the doctrines of our department, and welcome to this momentous celebration.
First, to all you young students gathered here who graduated today, you have successfully braved the rigors of your training and are likely looking forward to newer and more exciting challenges. Many of you must be quite relieved that this holiday is finally over. I know that I was quite relieved. And to you, the very, very proud and happy parents and families. And finally, of course, to you, the faculty, for your hard work and dedication in seeing off yet another batch of students that you fervently hope will do well and that someday you will be able to look back and pride. Before I start my talk, I would like to recollect from my years at IIT Bombay the contribution of some teachers whose influence has been lasting. In particular, the sheer elegance of Professor S.H. Patil's teaching of Q3, which was relatively quantum mechanics, has always been a reminder of this ethical principle. I wish for you all to have a good fortune to be able to engage in this great scientific adventure with the fullest of scientific integrity, and to have the environment where you can be comfortable about being stupid. Thank you.
Camaraderie, the sense of fellowship. I hope that we continue to keep in touch with each other as we go on. That's all. I just want to note that Professor Madan Rao gave a very beautiful speech, and I hope you take it to heart. It sort of reminded me of a phrase. So let's say that in an institute where I did my PhD, there used to be a plaque which said that the pursuit of science is at its best when it is part of a way of life.
Finally, just have a good journey, contribute to society building, to nation building, and to making a better human society as a whole, wherever you go, in whatever field you take up. And with that, have a great life ahead. Thank you.
Vishnu Kumar.
मैं और कोई बात के लिए नहीं, खाली उसी के लिए कि भाई अंशुमन सर अच्छा कुछ बोलते हैं मेरे बारे में।
अच्छा तो बोले ही हैं अंशुमन सर।
आप इतने डायरेक्ट बोलते हैं मम्मी को तो अच्छा लगता है।
हाँ।